Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Mama Simba sakhuluma la. God say fast.
Le jeki ifunge kudala yathi namuhla. What a wonderful day.
La ukhuluma ama
Praise
ayi.
lo.
Really giving
Episode yani bisingani ngamajita lana hamba ungabukeli I series lana kaMacman. Bale zazo izichazo neziya ku wrestling ke lokho nazo debunk wrestling. Bese ngathi yazo debunk ichurch.
ilethathi.
Ilethwara papa.
Asuna papa you. Asuna papa you. Asuna papa ngwana.
I memory card phakathi.
Are we sure? Alhamdulillah.
Wayesingasebenziswa u112 umbe nelithanda rated.
Mase simbuza ma 40 why ama light eje secija so anti sesimhlelo.
No.
I price. O trust leli kodlula u112.
And ama light la wayela mabizo. Wayela mabizo ngani ngamahime
Ngiba
esabathi.
kuhle.
Sizavula ngo 112.
Savula ngo 112.
Jay.
Uthi ile khale busisa.
Sesirecording. Serecorda kona?
Izikhuluma amanyaka.
At least ngikhuluma ngabafazi babantu. Machayisa.
And bayazondisa ngamathini. Ungenzanga lutho.
So ngicela nihle ngixoxele istory. Ngithenga ipouch. Mina ngithanda ipouch ngilithatha njenge underwear, yabo? You cannot repeat the same underwear every day.
Oh, come.
So we have to change once in a while. Yabo? So ngithi mana ngidingani ipouch for iPhone. So just for context, sebenzi iPhone 14 Pro Max. Iphone ngisebenzisa. So man check lapha nama pouch. Ngithole kule pouch enje so. I'm like, mbona ibhakodi ibhale 14 Pro Max. Ngathi ipouch le. Ngiye 14 Pro Max ibila you sure? Bathi yes. Ngathi okay sharp.
So le 17.
So nxa sesithatha ama mirror selfie ubona ama flash ayi2 laba. Singajajana. Ningambuza uningi.
Ilani kathi. Oh
You know how many people have fallen for that? Outside the phone.
So namhlanje
Think about it.
nginje so.
Economics zokufaka abantu pressure
Yabe nginje so nama.
amafoni nalawo.
Yeah. Namhlanje ngizanzwakala ngigqoka iphenti eli-white.
Yeah.
Sayindanda lika Christian.
Eli-white. Sonke silala kodwa eli-white.
Lela ma
Wena
special
usela?
occasion.
Ulala wena la?
Mina ngisela mina.
Awuzeli?
Yeah.
Ugqoka ikhaki why?
Ngqoka mnyama.
Hayi pendele imnyama liyisilingo.
Indaba.
Liyakwazi nje.
Angikwazi.
Liyisilingo.
Wena likulinga ngani?
Hayi.
Uthi libukele ungaliwathi.
Ungaba le pendele imnyama
Uyajespopotela sewise izinto.
ungaba le pente elimnyama uyachaya isidingo omnibus awuchaya ama-single episode akanti ngu-from
but uyakwanisa ukudinga amaphenda ayi-black wodwa
Majenzi, ufrom blind njalo nje angingambukeli ufrom.
awublind fana
unoluntu uthi izimbabwe yi-from
yabona impilo le esiyiphilayo la
Yo eka from.
ngu-from
awunoluntu uthi iziku-from
but otherwise how are you doing gents
chilling you know what it is
I missed you eh
Yeah nah.
you're back you're back my boy
hello hayi nikhanuka bengikhanuka labantu futhi lapha
uzokhanya ukuthi
Ungela ndawo yokuventa.
yeah bengila
Ya namhla yayive.
uyibone kathi ivideo liyani endlovu liyani ethwali
Mesendile.
hey ina seninja awusokungiqaphula nje ku social media ngama-video enyamazana nalawa lama video akhuluma ngamasabatha like wonke bro kungaba
algorithm yakho
like kungaba lesikiti esikhuluma ngento zesabatheni kumbe ngento zenyamazana
Bayabusindila wena.
yanithunyela ivideo eyi-1 ngabantu abangu-6 bonke
Usuyi-target market.
guys ngibonile it's fine I
Sayenza
understand
ukuthi kusendela amabheke.
nah but otherwise lisiko
ekutsho kodwa ukuthi okwenzeni ama-jokes ngamasabatha kumele bevume ukuthi that we were early we invested like 2015 bitcoin thina sokuqala kudala
yeah sokuqala kudala
asiyali sokublind these days
leya comment isamaloku zenini abafundisi becheche ndoda fana
Yeah.
lo ngiyakutshela bro ngokhomenta ngonguphi umfundisi lo
nomfana angisakwazi into le ngikhulume kangaka
sorry
angisakwazi mebenzele 3 episodes in a row ngimbuza ubaba ukuthi ukukhulumela la mic sokuthathanga
yabo expect ukuthi sound iphume ngaphi mtala
khona banguyenzi sound awuzwa ngulokho ze uBryce le wathi vele bengumelele ube sihlale efoni ithi ulemaka
sekhululeka kakhulu
sosigqokela ipenti eliyi-white wena
Hayi usezeli
sezeliveze lapha
vezi.
Mara nje ngoba ibapha abafundisi abakommentayo.
No.
Kulo mfundisi oyi-1.
Khona wo10.
ndoda just 2015
wayethe wayethe kwakho ne
Manje uthenga kangulubi.
wayethe nxa kuyi-care meeting amabhawa kabe ku-empty
amfakanga njalo
wakufaka njalo wena
Man.
wakufaka west
wakufaka west
Wathi
ngathi
nje
ngesikhathi se-camp meeting amahula ashoti ebhawa
Crazy.
halele ukhulume kathesi
atsho njalo ungabe ithi
Hayi,
ngathi ebhawa ku-empty
hayi wathi ebhawa ku-empty lezi isingenye iversion ezosithethisisa
ungabe i-check initial version I think I'd say
Kathi
something
ku-Wentless in the bar.
I'd say something along those lines 2015 Bitcoin
Umfundisi wathini bro?
price is
I'm sure
2000
umfundisi wakrasha out.
wafaka iparagraph ndoda
wafake sithi nje.
ndoda zama ngiyidinga ipost la
ababendichecka
ukuthi itshomelele
but mna
karelenzana
akwazi ndicheckwa ngumuntu onjani
Yamphendula.
ngase ngifuna ukuphendula ngase ngifuna ukuphendula I think wantshela
Engage ku-beef.
wabe umgcina besithi hayi ngathi oh shit
Uyasentshisa.
ngathi holo
Uyasentshisa.
ngase ngathi holo majensini le theory i-theory yama ithi ama-birthday into yamakhiwo into yaqala ngamakhiwo
uthi ngicela sasingakwenzi
mbuzani wayo
why
Why?
nihlabelelani happy birthday ngesindebele
Sengikwazi ukuthi
asihlabeleni ne-birthday ngesindebele so
hayi
hayi nce sasilakho bafika basinika okwabo
you're right.
ingce
ngongikho
Hayi songabe
No, I think okwethu sasikumeasure ngama-seasons.
ukuthi wena
Kwakuyisikhathi sezulu, kwakuyisikhathi sokuvuna,
so izulu lingana bathini bathi hurray
hayi
Kwamela hooray.
isikhathi sokuvuna
maybe
mgcini
kwakule
not
sathi sifuna savuna lo mgcini.
yabo
kwangacelebrate lokho lini history esayifundayo kungabi lapho kuthiwa kwase at some point bathi bevela kumfecane bacelebrate
Ekashaka.
i-birthday kashaka
owekamzilika is true
I think they just celebrated life nje.
the fact that you
Kwakukhumbu
think
because
Yes.
mana ngikutshele why ngisitsho njalo. Yabona into okuthiwa isikhumbuzo. I don't believe ukuthi into lena yayiyenzwa isikhumbuzo somuntu ofileyo kuphela.
ungenze
Ukuthi
sokuzalo
lesikhathi lesi kuyisikhathi sebusika so yikho lapho inkosi ethe yazalwa khona. So ngesikhathi sebusika lesi
kumele kube lo suku lesikhumbuzo
or something.
But manje nxa wawungasonkosi ke ungubhopororo nje.
Wo celebrate ngabangini.
Nxa ufuna.
Ngabe funa.
Ngoba indaba ethi ngakhayela uShaka kade ayisuyo uthi wawuthwa wawungavunyiswa lo mfazi nxa under 40 if you hadn't proven yourself in war. Wasn't that one of his things? Things afunda kuyisho. That's how he motivated amajidi ukuthi
siqinisile khonapho ngoba ukuthi ngamanga ukhona seyitype comment livumelana
namanga comment section yini hectic.
But that's the story ukuthi kuthiwa nxa wawuli social kaShaka wawungavunyiswa lo mfazi under 40 so amajidi laphana ayesegwazela ama back shots.
Is 25.
Anyways.
Yiko phela ngithi ngesikhathi kaShaka ndoda useyempini ulanda ama back shots.
Plus la khona futhi ungaphenduka ulesilonde eqolo sokuchina
wawule incentive yoke empini
motivation ngikuthamba nochomlana majensi oyararo oposti iclip liyana fuck I forgot his name okade khuluma ukuthi amandebele kube ayipopulation yamashona eZimbabwe kube enye party ayilastanga 10 years. It's some guy from Harare. I think he's a prophet. I saw the video doing rounds on Facebook. Uthe amandebela lesibindi. Kube siya alternate ama population. I-population yamashona population
amandebela anjayela amapolice ePapperfields.
Uchomlana uthe even imvukela yaqaliswa amandebela. Ayisi majenzi ngafuna ukukhothwa
la kodwa uhluhluzwe ngelangebala.
If it Yambo
sekhuluma futhi ngala mic.
If it yakho ikhona on Facebook, these are not my words. I just forgot the guy's name. Maybe omnizana xoxa story sithi lapha
ku Facebook. Usayidinga ukwenza uthithole.
Ndoda uze wathi uchomlana uthe abantu besishoneni bajoina later amandebele waqalisa vele amandebele lesibindi and labo babekwazi yikho even after impi bahle benzani bahle ba attack amandebele benza into leya. Uthi ngoba bekwazi ochomlaba vele inkani bala. Ochomlaba vile isibhakira basesafi. Not my words.
But anyways, theory yami yazivelela ngalokhuza like andomunye umlungu so andiyabazi bangabuya baye bethanda into
Africa
experience. Ngishayelelwe happy birthday ngesindebele. Madoda angaze emphelelo empilweni.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngakubuza
ngathi ngathula nje. Because ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyathini ngiyaqala ngapha
uthi. Do you know if you had made anything up they'd have believed you?
Nah, ngacha you something so wait.
What ayafana majenzi.
But waphinda umbambisa ngoba waphinda umbambisa ngoba le party le nathi happy.
Yiko man.
Shit man. Ayikho lokho man.
Ipoint yakho ngiyakuza ukuthi ubovelela ngayo. We just celebrated differently. Kuyafana nalemchato. Bona baloboli thina siyalobola.
Lo ama 21st.
Yiko bagcina besithi lobolo bride price but it's not a bride price.
This days uthi irora.
This days lamandebele yenza irora. Into angikoni nokungicama.
Walenzelile nkozenini. Walenzela ama 21st. Yamaki.
Mina majenza nilakhiye
mina. Lamangila.
Ngathathanga bafana. Yakwazi inkosi ngathathanga bafana.
Singela majenza.
Yamakini.
Anilakhiye 21st.
Ya ku gay lo ka.
Ku gay.
Haba unikile ki.
No ngiyabuza.
Wena ulekhiye?
No angila.
Yikochi.
Ngiyani veli kheria.
Yiko si.
Siwangela makhira.
Kuthiwa ivulani.
Ikhelana nge freedom le.
Ula ikhiye nje. Ngimlambaza
nge freedom.
Wena Brawler.
Ivulani.
Ikhiye pana assumption yokuthi awakakuvuli yabo. Awukamvuli.
Momjito.
Awukavuli nanzi key hambe yovula.
Awukavuli awukavuli.
But a mini concept key. I think I concept key
kumele siyisebenza network.
Nisebenzele ukuze nini kuma household like okule zindlu siwile like 3 rooms 4 rooms
kusiya le.
Because
siyayifaka nga. Kumele ihlale ku display ikey.
Mawungani ikey sihlala ku 1 room.
Siyayifaka nga. Phezu kwe fridge.
Phela sunika amandla akho wena.
Phezu kwestove.
Nanka magi
ibichwathelwa
isitshwa. Stove sangona siphezu kwe fridge.
But
Yeah, no, maybe it's literal my key chance.
Price on like it.
That's why I'm done.
alikhulele idubeka le.
Bro, man, I'm clear the funny thing. I realized that I'm like years in the 23. Phela mina zange le 21st.
Mina ngananzelela later on ukuthi kuyaphiwa amakey. Sengidlulile.
La nini Machenzi?
Mina bengizidlalela ama-Chance King la.
Ulayo ngibonile sithi
Again.
do you have a
Yikho
key?
nje futhi.
Lalela nini? Maybe there's something,
Like it.
you know, there's a correlation. Ukuthi we don't have the keys. That's why we were so unhinged.
I survived. Okay.
To remind some of you guys, multi-award winning lyricist, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls,
Yes, sir.
welcome to another episode.
Saskubani,
Of the-
226.
227.
Oh, 227.
Yeah.
Because we
227.
227.
227. 227.
Yeah.
Aliyasebenza madoda. Umsebenzi wenu umuhle.
Uyabukeka.
Mhle kakhulu umsebenzi. Hale ngichaza. Kunezinye izinto enilebe likhuluma ngazo mfisa ukuthi
Kube ngikhona.
hey
Something in my body has risen.
andlunga likhuluma ukuthi lithi lokuze nini twayicheche abantu bahlukane ezangini ziphonga ukuthi ayicheche.
I can feel something in my body rising.
Azi la mongi la thutsha athi thina sikho serious ngathi Lina.
Ikuthi umbuzo lana dog was very layered.
Awusithi ngenje umbuzo wakho lana please. Ngicela sorry ulibisela emo. Sorry baba laleli. But I podcast yami.
What the fuck, man?
Oh, he's back.
You bloody bastard.
Sorry.
Press amabhatshani wonke.
You bloody bastard.
Jayiro kuzini umbuzo wakho lona uchaza.
Yazi enye into vele ngakubheka ibhek umbuzo nalwa. Khonoko experience leyo. That kind of gives you an idea of maybe why some of the people that watch this podcast are so connected to it. Babe funa ukufaka la umbono. Siyabe sikhuluma izinto umuntu kumnye chomo sobhala egroupini wathi uyaphoza enephendule or something like that. Ulotsho wezinga ngibukele nje bemphoza lami ngikhuluma komba.
Yeah mina
umani.
yisi isikhathi sokuthi ufake khona kuma twani ku comment
Comment section
section.
ku YouTube.
Comment angingabona ama comment naso.
Uchomi lo okhuluma ngaye angimphikizi. I remember mina ngesikhathi ngisabukela i-podcast, I'll put it on the TV.
Awufona wena futhi.
I was getting there. Ngifaka ku TV and ngiconnect speaker ukwenza ukuthi nxa ngimove around the house I can still ngibe nje uRalph uyanya lina limzwa ukuthi
Usuralph ezinye izinto sasizidiscover like
so nje sefuna impendulo bese ngifonela uRalph ngithi Ralph wena ku episode uthe kathesi.
I think ingxoxo ethi it feels very I think we're not there's no gap between us and the audience. That's why they feel like they also must chime in.
Yeah.
But anyway, I think my question had been something along the lines of Uti, how long does, let's say, spiritual awareness yakho weigh into your relationship? Like ungathuthanda lo muntu usubona ngani is that, could that be a deal breaker for you? Or uyakucabanga ukuthi, let's say for example, sujola lenkazana party ngibo ngani bayenza into zokutrapana ngechem.
yeah.
Do you consider that?
Yeah, lo Kenya consider mina njengomuntu okhonzayo. Vele asikho kodwa ngoconsider actually. Okwe church la kuqathile ngangihambela futhi wena church wena that day. Kukhulunywa ngento zangikhona like eziqhakathekileyo. Vele omela uzicheck yabona.
Lapha sawa triggered.
I-church bro like sharp kungaqala ngathi vele masathandana lapha into ezinjalo like asozinto sizibringa up because sasekuwa honeymoon phase kumnandi yabo vele kuyachaza yonke into make sense vele yabo but nxa umunye umuntu dedicated kweyakhe lawo dedicated kweyakho bro family setup abantwana bazahambe echeche kaba sebekhulile yikho lokana ukuthi wena ungena ku church uthola abantwana begqokisa intambo emakhalweni la suzibuza ukuthi ke abantu abamafa yabo so
intambo leyahlanya
into lena exactly
uhlanye kuye
Exactly. And umama Jay umuntu oza kurezela abantu abakho nto ngiyele power ndoda like ngiyele power wena okwakho kuphela nje uhambe idinga imali esikhathini eziningi vele utshona ungekho futhi yabo so uma ukuthi ama beliefs akhe ahambelana la wakho vele kuyaba inkinga okwesi2 wakhuluma ngeeducation ungajwayele lo muntu odali kulawe kumbe ubani idali lonke lithi ubadali kwenu kulingana
libe ku same league
libe ku same league because uza ku feel at some point
great minds think alike and so do small ones asivele njalo
exactly yabo ingqondo le background yefamily lapho velela khona
yeah look how important now to be honest bro I feel like for me that might even take a higher ranking I don't want to put it like that. Yeah, but if family dynamic yomuntu Jay. Family dynamic yomuntu.
Umuntu nxa edubeka kathandeki.
Kanti udubeka family dynamic we.
Yeah, but it can be. It can.
Ayisiko khona family dynamic asokudubeka. Family dynamic ukuthi ubona abantu bakhona yena. How do they gel? Hey, not only that bro. Importance yezihlobo. Uyazi lo mnye umuntu othithi izihlobo kana ama colleagues. Anganuqhathwe iconnect nje ngutshomo osebenza ku counter yama SIM card.
Do you know when he's describing that when he's describing that you remind me of a reel. Yabona chomi labo ukuthi bayalanda abantu they ask around and question ama couples and stuff. Omunye bambiza that okay for $10,000 ungakwanisa ukusitshela isecret yomuntu ohlezi la wathi show nyayithatha. Unkazana wathi no wathi when she gets emotional she hooks up with her brother. But someone but how do you know that what I'm her brother?
Yiko Jesa akavuyi machenzi.
Don't worry, it's white people.
Abantwana elizabazala.
It's white people. Even la khona kulo nyicho meyenza ama skits etown yabuza omnye inkazana yathi go back to your ex or smash your cousin. What? Smash my cousin. That guy has got one hell of a machine gun.
Amanyala dikhulunywa nge prison la.
But
amanyala.
Yakwazi ukuthi i-question of identity is zinye izinto machenzi.
Mzala siyakwazi.
Sikhula now. Yakwazi ukuthi i-identity is not just about you to say mina vele hayi, but also that thing as a society. Do you get me? Into ukuthi abantu bangale vele siyakwazi ngeke bakwenza. And right now society ayilako kwaloko. Yikho abantu besidla abazala.
Abazala umbethi abazali.
Ndabazali bonke ngabona ivideo
abazali. Do you get me?
Man, when ukhuluma nge stepson stuck in the stepmom stuck in the washing machine.
Not Liana.
Khuluma nge incest.
Khuluma ngemoja love bro. Umasalo wazala umntwana
and uqinisile.
Wachaya phansi umntwana wakhulisela kwenye indawo bahlangana sebekhulile.
Bro, mina elayinini engihlala kiyo.
Mayibabo.
Kulo chomi ohlanyayo ngangihlala ngihleka ngisithi angikaze ngibone uhlanya oluyisitabane because iyahlanya ungena emagangeni ehambe ngestep ngathi ngisahleka athi Jake ngibona uhlanya lapha oluyisitabane entshele enye ichomi endla wathi bra yakwazi istory sika chomi lana sibuhlungu wabe senza iritual ngiwo ubaba walala lo mntwana oyinkazana umama walala lo mntwana ongumfana umntwana ongumfana wabehlanya
Machenzi kodwa uyazi kule
manini one at a time manini
kule nto engiqeda kuyinanzelela la lakwazi i-podcast ngamakuwa
hayi asomakuwa
aleli likuwa
leli sesilikhulume nabo selili borderline kuwa leli uthi
i-ritual yayisithi antuthi ritual ithi umdazo emntwaneni oyinkazana umamzi emntwaneni ongumfana
for ini
manje ngitshele machenzi i-society esiphila kiyo is very dark. It's very like it's darker than you think it is, bro. Yabona ikhulunywa ngumongi esithi abanye bacatsha ngeChurch.
But manje yabona
because it's not like into lezi bazenze emini bro.
Nangu yabona khona esesikukhulumile kathesi. This then goes back to your question yokuthi khale sicabanga ucasa uthandana lo muntu akwazi ngibo hayi not even like that. Yena ngibo ngo-S3
udliwa ngumdala
hayi yikho lingananzela even last time laphana ngaze ngakhuluma kodwa ngikhuluma ngalength but ngakhala kukamera ngathi abanye benu liyazazi ukuthi ngini kule nto ezinjani but liyasuka lizothandana labantu ukwazi ukuthola into ezinjani umuntu umzisi khalta ayazi these
Into
days
zama
into
zihambe.
unokwazi kodwa kulento zithwele
lo
ovela
anto wakho ohlala eMkopa South.
Ngapi?
eMkopa South.
yabona into engitsho
Uhlale ningirikini.
Ebudiriro.
phela umuntu cheki uyathandana lawe 1.5 years
Kumakomoyo.
yidok uyathandana lawe 1.5 years ihlala lithana namabonde ezithulele
Ekwazi ukuthi inkinga enga.
ezitshela la uthi ayazi ukuthi esipayi business yamayisahambe ukuthi iZimbabwe ekwekela ukukhala ngeZimbabwe
Ekwazi.
yenecavu ukuthi ngibo benzani.
But it's more futhi engemnengi thusa yama families bro. Yabona mina nje ngivele family nelothando yabo. Like ngazikhule ngikwazi ukuthi umdala nomasali ba like ba grand yonke into sharp. Umuntu ongasabi ukuba single parent. Ukuthi divorce I'm a twos. Hayi.
Manje yazi issue esilayo emergency ukuthi these kind of topics can never really be brought up early in a relationship. Akula umuntu ongathi qala ukuthandana lawo.
No. These topics are brought up but ngenxa yokuthi liyabelisa
yabonga kafundi ungafunda
uqala
ngakho.
Uqala ngakho bro.
Zwana.
Vele ungenile.
Zwana majethi zimanini lanto likhuluma so ngoba incele lina liyazithembi enye portfolio. Umuntu onjani incebe sekwasi last 5 times I brought this up I lost my relationships.
Edu feel. Fanele nawe ukeep isiso. Yabuka dukhuluma ka4.
Hayi ungasingahlanganisa indaba manje.
All right.
Triggered.
Ukhuluma ngento illegal wena.
But yeah, ikhona lokho kwe family.
Kulama dynamics amaningi acabanisa abantu in a relationship that are not brought up. And kubaleke even into yemali bro. How do you handle money? How does your partner handle money?
Yabona kwemali songaba ngcono futhi ngoba usungazibonela. Ndoto ukuthi umuntu ngibo babenankana labazali ngeke uzibonile.
Ngekubona.
Imali
Ubona selihlala lokho sekubonda la ehle.
Awuzibona imimi lena ekachomle wezithi uyavuletha istock endlini usizwe ngoforex sesithi yabaza
khulumele mayikini.
Senamathelisili.
Senamathelisili.
Enze so.
Kumele ukhiphe izicathulo.
Yona le yane kachomlana olala echase ipova ukuthi roza siligudlugudlu. Wathi uzwile babe athi awungethuki. Oza Jabu wathi Jabu mbani. Jabu ifene kagogo. Ithi sabona Jabu. uJabu wathi Fede.
Angeke. Yabo.
Anzali sendeli rile yakho.
Uyasazi stories eClive leso uthi wase gone ese taxi rank efana kwe taxi umnyango uvuliwe. Ngoba ukuthutsha indwangu ngafika ekhaya lapha kathi. Wathi taxi igcwele so. Abithi ngiyavaya. Ezisuke entabeni zikhathela
amajije nganika imali
yawo. Amajije sithi business ayihambi.
Yathi mana ngizibonela.
Indaba kaBryce le akonjele bro. Into leyo uthi nxa abantu babenza iritual engakana. What's on the line bro? Like lebili yenzilani? Xa ungazomadoda ibillion ini.
I realized ukuthi kulamanye ama rituals abantu abangayenzeli imali. Kuyenzela umkhuba kuthiwa ke sixoxa
lapha ekhaya kunje.
Lapha ekhaya kulalokho labe litsheliwe ukuthi baba nxa ufuna izinto zakho zikulungele lingafiki ngoba lizakufa next year yenza so
labe likhule ngini kulama bus.
The first assumption is always money but it's not always money.
Kubechekiwe.
Yeah, into kaBryce actually is a good point. Indaba I think futhi ngikhuluma last episode kaKhathulu le ukuthi anyway some of these things that we place value on to the entities that we ask from, it's nothing. Fana ukuthi wena ubunyonyo endlini yakho ucela ichukela. Kuyichukela is nothing ndoda. So na sithi I'm busy uNkulunkulu lo ngaka esihlala emhlabeni wakhe. Kanti ubunyonyo emhlabeni endlini.
Green A1.
Wena upompa uyi-teaspoon wapho ngikholisa wathi but for wona vele so ngutagwire wena wangemva kwecupboard.
Ngubani?
Whoa.
Banger.
But okunyani
Open a nice segue.
Okugcina imthayini ukugula imkhuhlane ya influencer futhi yama relationships phambili yabo. So uqathekile ukuthi asikhulumeli AIDS kuphela.
Okay, yakwazi ukuthi this is why I say go on dates. Tende ujonalivizelana kuma BNB lasezindlini.
Hlala ufafatha kuphela.
Wena wenzani wena njalo?
Go on dates dog.
Okay.
Because it
hamba fana lama le abona ama bush getaway.
But go on dates.
Sengikhulume kakhulu
Siphumisa ke.
Sorry.
So nxa kudate labona wona ungiqhubela tomato sauce.
No,
so
yabona
ngilithi ngama ritual.
no, malisenza ngama activity. Awusho baby, uyihla kubhebha.
Awuthini Pepe ngini baloya.
No, but
Bazomtshela,
I'm
Jabu.
saying this to say, if you go on like actual dates, do some activities. Uyambona umuntu wakuthi chom lami under pressure nje. Aliperform. Yabo uyacracker under pressure. Into lezi zezimali nje bona sesila umuntu ka budgetanga sesiqalisa ukukhipha you get my point. Asesa.
Ngilitshele
umuntu
just
wakho.
ngilitshele
But
just
malisona sithi Netflix and chill. Lizabukela uBella Ciao.
Hlala ungosex live
Lizile
all the time. Akaqeda futhi 15 minutes in. Wahla.
Are you continue watching? Are you still watching?
That's
You watch on.
imgcini ngeke ngitshele esinye story esenzakala I think on 2021. Kulento eyenzakala. Ngani lo cousin wami la wayeselapha about 2 years ethethe. And then he just told me like a really mind-bending story that I didn't know. Him and his then wife, it's still his wife. Still his wife. Yeah. Him and his wife. Actually, then newly married wife. Because we were cool. Uti babe tanda maybe 4 years. And then, we just spoke about it. Dog, nyakutshela bro. But then I was told umuntu akho sharp, umuntu echurch umuntu avele into lezi engazenzi. Then ngase ngihlala ngazibuza ukuthi kuthiwa insanity is using the same method and expecting different results. Iningi labantu vele these days. Liqala lithini? Ansi before they decide ukuthi liyajola.
You know what? Kulomunye umuntu wabe yale plot twist wathi time you think the 90-day rule is for her, but it's actually for you.
So
because outside of bums, what can your girl actually
do? Elihlanganisayo.
So nansi story sakho. Kube kusenzakala ukuthi ngesikhathi sakho nanganlenye I very successful talking stage. Ngabe nsithi kuchom leliyana. Actually, dog, maybe my whole life I've been getting this wrong because ukuthi liyathandana liku decide 2 months after my bums eseyenzakile. Mana nami ngeke ngizama ku very ngce umuntu wakhona la namhla uyazibuza ukuthi kathi tabelo kathi ayifuna ngoba
Lami ngilawo sibila ama examples.
And lalela ngizame. I never even allowed us to be in a situation where bums could end up be the results.
Yabufuna ukubona vele.
Ndoda uhlezi ukuphushile while wabe senza something fucked up.
Kahle wathi
dakiwe. Of one next day wazenza victim. Ngahle ngathi nda.
Akubamba. Nakuya. Ikho lokho.
Kwaphelela komba.
Yeah, kona.
Yeah, but bums vala a lot of things.
Yeah. Bamage le. Yeah. No, for real, like le ukuthi lahlangana sokuye BNB Bamage. Outside of Bamage, what are you seeing emuntwini lo? What is she offering?
Bums are very distracting.
Because if you are looking at bums only, outside of the bums, sharp, so suhlabile, then what next? Umuntu lo,
Hasulala.
Support.
Yeah, well, that's the thing.
When.
So want umuntu lo kana financial literacy
and ukubona sokulate.
Uhlafuna kubi.
You know,
kaneziko abantu ekhaya ukuthi abafana bakulokuza bedlula anyali maybe but kulabo into enhle ukuthi umongi kwesihlayela wathi emergency discussayo ngezeni eselibadala
really serious
eselifuna ukuthatha thina sama games so
we don't rack
basa ku stage sana ukuthi vele usafuna ukutest out ikey yakho
barabadala babesithi
yabo lamanye ama local amaningi but thina obviously ngiyalibona nonke laba bafana babili khulile selifuna into ezikhambayo
yeah into is straight but
but guys on a similar note
bose ngathi uthone said note
on a similar note there's an article that was making rounds on social media pages. I haven't really seen it on any official news platform, but
man, you are supposed to piece away.
No, because this thing is alleged.
Okay.
Yabona ngasela lokho zi. Usele rust.
Oh, pura.
Pura.
Sorry.
Pura anti-rust now.
Sorry.
So the article was saying a Zimbabwean High Court has ruled that a man is entitled to full lobola refund if a wife cheats. Dinelithini ngakho?
Mina ngithe
Slice
indoda
on
ingachitha yona ke.
Uyibayibiselani?
Hayi mele ibhadale la
But
futhi.
yes.
Seyabhadala. Ayisela refund.
Lokhana simbhadale lo.
No.
Liyabona ukuthi lini traditional list lisebenzisa lapho elichaza khona.
Selective. It's very selective.
Phathi
Bloody
uthi indoda
hypocrite.
ingachitha iyenzeni iphinde ilobola.
Hayi but
Badala ukuthi wonile.
Right. Yes. Nanti ulikhulumile ibala lakho.
Yikho phela.
Actually vele but ikhona inhlawula.
Ikhona.
Ikhona inhlawula.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ukuthi these days liyaphonga uyenze I forgive you ngama rose. But kumele kube
Le
lenhlawula.
mali thengela imoto uhlanye once. Vele ayifikile badaleni.
So kulento engeke ngayizwa from abadala endlini and all that. So like babekhuluma nge same discussion ukuthi vele alright sharp usechithile but then the guy is not the one at fault blah 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 ukhamisa njani. Then this other uncle of mine is like la ewezwa from his grandfathers ukuthi in other cultures what they do is for example umgcini nxa ethethe engalobola namuhla
Ama example ukuthi ungawenzi ngami wena.
Ako right la.
all right sharp
Not good for the brand.
alright
Yeah. Yeah.
uchadile
Yeah,
lapha
uchojingwe.
and then ucharo kabe se favor 2 weeks later blah blah blah
So
and then
wena uwenze example ngami into le. Futhi khona mfana.
uJorgina bese decide ukumove on enga decide ukumthatha uChirana lwabe move on to the family akade lobole kuyo before uhamba labo yibo abafika bebhadala ngale.
What?
Exactly.
Oh yes.
That's the Lord. That's what I heard. Allegedly.
He sell on clothes.
Type shit. Yabo. So technically I think vele indaba ye refund le has always been there. Karesi nje sesiphonga ukuyikhuluma. If that was something true that really happened.
Ukuthi la maybe ngana kola ubuntu usukhanje uzocela
inkomo zakho back.
No, but antiko kuthiwa uzidle uzenza njani?
Uzibeka amathambo.
Yeah.
I think into le bebezama ukuyi-modernize in such a way yokuthi like when it comes to couples splitting, it's
sure
always the females that are benefiting.
It's
always the females that are benefiting, whether they were in the wrong or they were in the right. So I think it was a thing yokuthi okay.
Consequence.
Yes, ukuthi la madoda if they are found ukuthi they are victims, they can also get satisfaction from ukubhadala
ngomonje abafana bayanyiswa these days.
But enye into joke enye into ukuthi amalobola these days lawa sengamalobolo kwakho ubuhlobo lana seyilawana wena ngawuyikhipha 25,000 scories
lilobola ngaphi 25,000 then
awuzawungena
Jolazi
ayibonanga leyana ukuthi wasucharge ilobola eliningi ngoba umntana akho esikolo kanti mina ngayijele yini.
Real though.
Anzange understand the concept la. Lo mntana akho yimi nginganye imcrashisa le nethi futhi.
You know what I'm saying?
High school.
But I don't know. I think it's one of those things ukuthi it should be on a person to person basis. Mina nginje sengahlala phambi lo mbono majensi kuvuke kungwele ngelinye ilanga. La I think sokusiya ukuthi uchithele njani la.
No, there's been an increase of stories okuthiwa sokulabantu who do ilobola as a business.
Yes.
Ukuthi like iyalobola then 3 months down the line umuntu ethi kasakwanisi ebese hamba.
Magents.
Yabo, wena sudliwe. Mina I know of someone elimaziyo and I will not name drop. I will not name drop because this issue is very sensitive.
Kodwa uyakhuluma ngayo.
Type phone notice so sithi
hayi angisoze nditshele ibizo but
sizabakwazi vele ukuthi ukhuluma ngo
angisoze nditshele manje even sesicishile ama mic anditsheli but istory sithi uCherry wayelotsholiwe before wabebuya kuye bathandana wazibonela umuntu wakhe walobola later on umuntu wayala bazama ukuyancenga. That's when they discovered ukuthi umuntu lo asikho kokuqala lotshola
amshaya ngedouble entry yamalobola
selotsholiwe futhi.
Damn.
Magents ukuthi ama hustles that are different. It's a bit tricky bro. Uyakwazi ukuthi at sometimes babe ngadila ngalawe sharp. Yazi ukuthi kulomunye umuntu owathi hayi gcinani vele konke lenkomo zangona gcinani. I want nothing. I want no parts.
Check. Into ekhuluma ihamba yale ngoma lana eBank Grooves yakudala yayisithi handiyende
ngiyakudala, bro.
Right. Ingoma leyana yakwazi what was happening.
Press message ama trombone.
Umjida
Wayewazi umngane wakhe.
Yazi target market.
Uhle vela khombela uBreeze. Yawazi ukuthi thina
Mdala.
But anyways, guys.
But ilokhu zenina leyana he was saying umjida wayengasafuni anything to do with it. What is one? Inkomo engakulobela ngazo angizifuni. Imota nasiyana phandle lendlu thatha. Just leave. Okay, right. Sala right mina ngiphume. Umfazi sala sithi angiyeni.
It's very hectic because also
when umfazi angakufebela yathatha ama gifts akho.
Ndoda mina ngithe kuya ukuthi ufebele njani. Phela kwamnye umuntu uyadiscover ukuthi two abantwana sobakhe. Lokuyana Jeki. Lokuyana fucked up. You have been wronged beyond.
We're really just reiterating old chats. But industry lay tough. So ukwazi ukuthi industry lay tough. La kumele ubekwazi.
Ayimfuni umuntu ohlanganisayo.
Ayimfuni umuntu ongathi uya untekenteke.
Hlanganisa indaba.
Usubone ngani into lezi ziza kuhlupha phambili.
Jana la.
Ngoba sebekufebela wasakwanisa ukuvula ukhamba.
Yesu sithi umntana
gents.
Umntana
usubhizi usufaka ama-codes.
Umntana lo wayenejevu zika Breezy.
Also on a slight tangent and on a sad note.
Mana before Samba on a sad note, bemfuna siqale on a light note. Samba on a sad. Sisakhuluma ngendaba zamaloko izinini. Zomalobolo mthatha. Libonile wedding of the year.
Naziqiniso ukuthi ngiyibona ngathi
wedding of the year.
Majens kule mchado lama wedding.
Let me just read.
Lama white wedding.
The wedding of Taona Nyasha John Takure and Poneso Tinomuda Janda turned into a full-blown billionaire showcase. This is according to the Daystar. Let me check on Facebook. It's not me. Angwanza check. But it is Daystar now. Balanda yon. Ngasi bengena manzi. I see him. It Daystar. The Daystar. Full-blown billionaire showcase as Zimbabwe's business elite splashed millions of dollars in gifts on the newlyweds. Dr. Kudakwashi Takure and his wife Sandra stand guests after gifting the couple $2.5 million in 33 hectares of prime
land.
Prime land.
It's a farm.
Prime land believed to be worth around 15 million. Businessman Wicknell Chivayo added 250,000 in luxury design bag. Really much.
Louis Vuitton.
While gold dealer Scott Sabukwanya gifted the couple $500,000. Obey Chimoka and his wife contributed $275,000 while G6 gifted $100,000. Top government official George Kuvamatanga and his wife also made a grand gesture, gifting the couple 25 pregnant pedigree beef master heifers from their award-winning farming operations, along with $250,000. Gospel musician Everton Mlalazi gifted the couple $150.
Shout out Mlalazi.
150,000, yeah.
Oh, 150.
150,000.
Shout out to Mlalazi.
Wedding of the year, boys.
Manje vele imali wo 3.5 million ungayidivide sharp ngoku 100,000 a year, which is maybe ukuphila kuyi 9,000 a month or kuyi 8,000 a month. Hey.
Ngicela nifake insert lana ekacho mna.
Ungasa budget khona okuvela. Abantu laba bavele bale yabo vele imali vele.
It's really tough ngini. Abantu laba baphila soft laba.
Yeah.
And if you're really in touch with the reality of where you're living, this shouldn't shock you.
I clearly am out of touch.
You're very out of touch with the reality.
When you see delay on a lighter note today, lay you manje said note.
This is a sad note, brother.
Who calls it boys to men?
Bro.
Boys to men, dog.
Let me tell you guys something. Like I'm saying, you really need to get in touch with where you are living. You guys are very out of touch.
Ungazitshela ukuthi umthatho onjalo la uza experience ngeke fana.
Soze ntanga khohlwa.
Ngeke.
Okwakho irora le big board ifaka ama light
la. Ngeke teacher.
irora luncheon.
Mbone bro.
Luncheon if kule right.
At most.
But
Mbone
like
bro, like omunye mchita the reply like on behalf of Masawati sithi kumtshado wesabatheni so obaba esabatheni sithi amo yabo. Kumtshado wesabatheni amo yabemelele ukuthi iqalisa ingoma bephethe amapiki ukuthi bazokukhunga ngamapiki.
Amapiki namabhara la.
Yamahara. Daughter.
it's really yakwazi ukuthi i-gap between abantu abalemali labangela. Because it's either you have the money or you don't. There's no such thing as middle class anymore, bro. Either you are rich or you are broke.
So we're broke, most.
We are very broke, bro.
Shit.
No, it's either you're rich or you're in trouble.
No, dog, we're far from trouble, bro. Like, hey, Joe, 150K.
How about 150K?
When you are going to land price.
Kulomunye
China ube.
Wedding counselor. I just wish the best for them. That's a disclaimer. Kodwa what the most expensive weddings are the shortest marriages.
No, ungafisela abantu.
No, ngikho ngihle ngathi.
Disclaimile.
Ngikho ngihle ngathi. Ubehleka kalaleli phela ubuda si rust.
Hayi ukuthi ikulento ade ikhulumile kade.
Yabo. Watsho njalo para okunye kwazi kuyini Jake. I-click yakho Jake ingaba yi-switch Jake. Mina akwazi ukuthi uK Breeze laphana nxa ukuthi yachaya uyi1000 a month laphana umondli la uchaya uyi2 grama umgcini la usem khona phana lingayehle kungikhunga ama$100.
Inehlelo ama-birthday lina.
Kuchata wena ukuthi uchata every year kathi.
Wena. Wena. Kama sign ama-birthday.
Ichaya paragraph.
You my friend of all friends.
Ngifanye status.
Apple of my eye. Fusek.
God made you.
Gift.
Nonsense. Send coins. Mina vele ngazo birthday yami ngathi listen. Paragraph. I've heard this before, bro. You're not going to say anything new this year. What you said last year is probably what you're going to say this year.
Birthday yakho yaba khona ngeke fana. Mana ngizame fana.
Tips.
So fusenza abantu ababi lapho na takwire. Majid. Hanza imecha le.
Afad.
Happy birthday boy.
Afad.
Majid. Indaba le actually imboyila sikhulume nokuthi. This is a very heartbreaking story.
Yazi ukuthi okabela bani.
Anyways, Busitona said not.
This might have been
No, now
said
sesiya ku lighter note ngiyahlala. Asihlale
Asikhulume
nokuthi.
Akenzi into esikhulume ngayo.
Awona mfayizile.
Akenzi into esikhulume ngayo kathisa.
I feel like vele ngani kulama blunder enzakalayo bro. Like
manenge egoli baxosha abantu. It's really sad what's happening in SA.
Twani vele like mhla ka 30 wenzakalani ngo30 June kumbe ngo30 July what's happening in South Africa?
The xenophobic
I think
Deadline for my immigrants to leave the country. So angisho bebesithi ama immigrants lawa ehambe until the 30th of June. So apparently from the 30th of June these guys are not going to be as what?
Damn.
So
as less violent as they were. Ngani yi deadline yabo 30
So
June.
Avengers Doomsday.
Oh, so they said
sorry ngulibisele much abantu babone ani isibroke la. Cheke nanko.
Lokho yiko kwenza ngumpex. Ngelinye ila.
Wawisi coming.
Wawisi
ngobulele ngiyale.
Happy birthday Jomla.
Khuluma phela ukuthi uthunyiwe.
Oh bro, I'm so glad I came here today.
Mina majenti since 2022 ngu podcast.
Happy
at least 4 birthdays in.
Happy birthday bro.
Hey.
I'm 4 birthdays in.
Oh my days.
Ngizamuthi la
Listen bro.
Gift awanye
ngiyabonga.
Imali yini to?
Shout out my homie.
Yeah,
No. 30 June machines, it's like they were given an ultimatum.
Asingaphonga umuva ngani into leyenzakale lapha sijayele.
Into lesijayelanga. Lokho mina ngikwazi mina. Ngoba abantu babenze ama 10 cents kuyikho ke zwanini. Siyabo.
Awungakhali.
Yabo.
Awungakhali boy.
Mana ngikanje.
Lalela manginemali yakho hayi ngizobona next of.
Yeah, babe
Anamali.
Yebe sithutsha ama screen.
Ala malayela mali imali ngeclub ngeyarathu.
Anyways, siyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga ma-gents.
Lenze njalo ama birthday wonke. 2 December.
Atsafuni. Safuni lingamfaki phakathi.
Hayi.
Don't be triggered.
Engakhali ifele empelekeni kanti
Ana ukuthi usually ama birthday yamanko around vele so kuyatholakala.
Bunqulu. Hey. Anyways, ubhuda sebesakhuluma lapha.
No, yeah, bengisathi u-30 June lo banikezwe ultimatum.
By who?
By this but ubani this guy?
Yini bad ile selilida
This Zulu guy
Ungizwe.
Is it Ungizwe or the other one?
That whole crew.
Yeah.
Ungizwe, Mchunu and them.
Sure.
Babanike until the 30th of June to leave the country.
Ama undocumented.
So here's that's the other thing now. Cause now I saw this other video circulating. They question this other guy, Uti, why are you here in Uchomlan? I said, no, but I have my papers. What you know, go back to your country and fix your country. Regardless of my paper. So now that's where personally, that's where I'm confused. So is it only undocumented or both?
Really?
No. I think the church is now beyond.
It's now beyond.
I think abantu into lezi vele all goes back ekuthini isisehlulekile as a country, bro. Without saying any names, without blaming anyone because I don't want to get in trouble. But yabona sesiyinhlekisa njani kwamanye amazwe, bro.
We're in a bad place.
But you know what, bro? This thing also
Into le is not affecting Zimbabwe yodwa. Yeah, because
Ghana.
Ghana.
There's an article ephumileyo e-Uganda. So the Ugandan government keep article ama Ugandans that are based in South Africa that want to return home, they can provide it. And also, I think they also issued an ultimatum to South Africans in Uganda. No. I was looking for it and but the only one I found organization in Zimbabwe based in South Africa Mzansi for Economic Development. They got the poster calling for all Zimbabweans staying in South Africa. Are you living in South Africa and you want to return home? Mzansi for Economic Development is calling on all Zimbabweans in South Africa who wish to be repatriated back home. If you are interested, please contact the following numbers.
Price.
Did you see?
Wabazomkhula wena uthi bathini? Bathi nxa ukuthi libona ngani Zimbabwe ni right.
Hambani lina.
Thina si right la.
Did you see then what
Nigeria?
what the Ghanaian government then did? So headline Labour City Ghana rules out automatic lease renewal for South Africa's gold fields, Tarkwa mine, as 2027 expiry nears. Apparently, this mine is worth $1 billion.
It's in Ghana.
It's in Ghana.
And it was a South African company.
So what happened was, njengokuthi kuseni kuthi right ama-Ghanaians iflight isikhona, and then once those brews touched down, then this headline came out to say, listen, your lease for your mines. You're going to see into le yenzwa ngabantu aba very short-sighted. The reason why economy in South Africa is working, and the reason why the government of South Africa doesn't really crack down on immigrants is because of deals like this. And the people that know these deals is the reason why. Because liyabekwazi ukuthi no kulo uyi-billion kwethu kuseGhana. So bayekeleni babuye bezothengisa ama-chips la. Do you get me?
Abakwazi manje umuntu omzulu
ufuna uMasigandi athi
even here apparently there are some SA guys who have mines and stuff.
That's what I'm saying.
I feel like a government yethu is also kind of in a way or rather indirectly trying to send a message back, because recently, if not a couple of months back, they released a statement so all local mines are now supposed to be 75% owned by Zimbabweans. So already that's
that
now
one's a different chat.
No, it's actually something that is happening. So you content directly or indirectly.
Very
Some
politics
countries are now starting to
Yebo
Kodwa
baba.
uyasibona sikhuluma
Baba,
ngeGhana.
lathi sizwile voice note.
Sathi sikhuluma ngeGhana. Mbana.
Yiko sikhuluma ngeGhana ngabomo. Sizwile sonke voice note. Bara sikhulume ngayo. Sicela uchiyane lathi.
Get it out.
Ngithathele imic, ngithatha umphucele.
Ungasingenisi.
Nizwile ukuthi like to further illustrate point le ukuthi of course we can't totally write off ukuthi South Africa does maybe have an immigration crisis.
Yes.
But however, being really black and white with wonke umuntu kahambe might result in cutting off economic flow in the region.
That was
And
the
that's
point
not
I
a
was
place they
going
want to be. So obviously they just want laba bahambe. But it's, you know, the other idea is once they get to act like that, then they don't set the tempo with how other governments get to react. For example, I saw a South African guy was standing at Beitbridge border. I said, you guys sure what you want to cut off Zimbabwe? Do you know I can even Google on AI? Africa's busiest border by freight, trade volume, and economic value is Beitbridge border post. So this is the most trade in any African border happens like Beitbridge. And where do you think most of the goods are going? Until they're coming this side.
That's why I was saying good
So this guy was saying, if Beitbridge border ingavuli value. South African amaningaza want business and got a survivor ngoku-export.
Amapolice azalamba.
Because ama-foreigners yokada ama-tax abona la. And ama-local South Africans yo alles most of them.
The people that are
ngomunye wakhuluma njalo ezethi laphana sokuvuka indawo lana ukuthi abantu akusamela ngivini le mota uhambisa abantwana bakho esikolo ngemota yakho. So kumele bayekele phakathi umchova wena uhambe lomfazi wakho leyithiwe emoteni asafunakala.
The people
so
that
lana
are
yayehluleka ngoba most people who had cars were
are
South
people
Africans.
who don't actually have the foresight. Yena abefuna ukuthi ache ngene pre khaluma sigandi.
Abantu abadala.
Even Malema was saying ukuthi what happens after they are done chasing away the foreigners? They're going to chase people who don't look like them as well.
From there liselizalanda abantu beLimpopo.
Yeah. That was Malema's point to say bengaxotsha ama-foreigners. What's next is sebexotsha abantu abangafani lapho.
Yeah, like namuhla uthe 300 abeGhana bahambile. Ubuze wathi because bahambile ingaphi umsebenzi engu300 that have been created.
It's 300.
Not only that, I saw that shit yabantu labana begijime eTaren University kuthiwa off to go riot bese yadingema lokhu zenini. Ama-foreigners. Omunye community look at them. Running past all these white-owned businesses. You have a kitchen in City.
Yeah, are you going to go to white communities and do the same thing?
And I want to into le yenzakala vele.
I want them to go to Cape Town.
Mastermind bento lezi bro. Sesibuyela ama conspiracy la. Bakwazi ukuthi umuntu omnyama vele isitha somuntu omnyama ngomuntu omnyama bro. Andibona behluleke like umuntu ophezulu lwana olemali onamalenzi onke la ohlulekile ukuthi abaxabanisa abantu laba. Bro bonke hayi kule ndlela esharp engayisebenzisa lapho uthi abantu laba kanjani bachane bodwa lapho.
Really, that is the authoritarian playbook. You first demonize a certain people, then you make it look like you're the only person who can save them from a demonized demographics. The same thing Donald Trump did when he showed up and said he will build the wall and chase out the Mexicans. It's always the same playbook. If you pay attention to any authoritarian leader in the history of the world, playbook, demonize someone, then preach gospel chasing this, fighting this person is going to make your life easy.
Who's this guy, man? Oh, I thought I'm Indian. What's his name?
Vanto.
They're going to move Last King of Scotland. They made a movie about him. Yes.
Idi Amin.
Yeah.
Land of
Same
the Seas.
playbook,
I
yeah.
don't know the Land of the Seas.
Same playbook.
But anyway.
And it never works out.
I mean, I've said this several times.
Right.
Not to repeat this. The Reserve Bank of South Africa is not even owned by the state. It's owned by, I think, 600 private members. Mm-hmm. You can take a wild guess who they are. 85% of your land is owned by white people. 80% of economic activity is owned by white people. I'm a demographic, I think at 85% white, maybe 80% white, 8% Indian or Chinese, and then 5% other.
Did you see that guy who was saying we processed? Did you see that guy who was saying right now at the Home Affairs we've processed 452 And they were saying we only found 2 to be
There
legal.
was just 2 illegals. But anyway,
Out of the 450.
still saying this.
Now the comment section was going, Home Affairs is corrupt.
Yeah.
These guys are illegals.
But still, with us saying this, we're not denying that there is an immigration crisis there.
Yes.
It's there.
Yeah, there is.
But your solution is not the
one.
Yeah, no.
Mnezami is last.
No, yakazi into yakhona kwini amaphepha balawo but bayenza khona kuyana ukuthi ungahamba ngale uya overstay udindisa passport ibisithi useZimbabwe but ulayo iphethe.
But anyway, my point is they do have an immigration problem, but the way they're going about it
is not the one.
But then again, maybe they feel like, okay, but why is the onus on us to solve? But you know, it's a complex thing.
It's politics.
But I'll tell you, I've said this before. Mugabe kind of had the right idea. Maybe how we went about with our execution was a bit fucked up. But to be honest, when we did get independence as Africans, the only thing we really got was the independence of movement, freedom of movement, the freedom of political choice, I think. But what we really didn't get was the control of our economies and ownership of land. That's why he called it the second revolution. Because what is this part 1? Into le ngangasebenzisa example ukuthi sihlezi si podcast la uKhums efike la ethi hayi ilayile sengilami camera singeyami lokho songam esithathele yonke into sesicina sala lutho and then we band together and then we overthrow Khums. Once we overthrow him says hayi amajenzo resorini says hayi sesilingana, we are now equal, we shake hands, we agree, okay, Khums says equal. But Khums uyasifisela ini stuff hayi stuff sesingensama. But that's what independence was. We woke up and we were equal. Did we get back the industries? Did we get back the mines? Did we get back the land? We didn't. They just said, swim at Jensen Slingan. Sorry. And then Umchita away wati. Hi, but Master Slingan apela. At least pen because I'm like 2-3. I'm a jet, I'm a paper slam, I'm like now wait. Umchita says Kitchana. And then Umchidoti.
Vian.
Chan Pats. You go for Umchita away quatele even no Mandela. What my gentleman and Chaimpa, my Paula. Enjoy Nani. You know, so
what are we saying?
What are we doing?
No. I'm not doing that here.
Where a revolution?
Dog, it's not Lalel, it's not a miracle why Nelson Mandela is so celebrated in the Western world.
He has great PR.
Because yena abantu bathi sebesithi alright sesitholile freedom sicela stuff sethu yena wathi hayi
we don't need it please
wavumela abantu ukuthi
what a pace my chance
wavumela amajidi egcina stuff sabo. So that's why amajidi emthanda so that's why thina uBoba bengamthandi ngokuBoba abantu akumake sense lokho.
Yeah, but manje ama repercussions onyangamelanga si ignore ama repercussions abuya lezenzo zika.
So right, so this is where the issue goes to
how we went about it.
Uthi esechaya impama wasekhaya amajidi ancedisa nini amajidi agagasa sasala siyi1 and then they to make sure ukuthi we become
an example.
Because do you know what happened? The first country to get independence Africa was in Nigeria and bayekela but abayi1 but into eyenzakana Nigeria yanika wonke umuntu ivevi and that's how we got Africa back. So suddenly Zimbabwe becomes round 2. We start off and then they learned from their first mistake ukuthi vele ungavume soyi1 ephunyuke bayalandela. So we have to make sure ukuthi abaphunyuki lapha thina nje kwaza sibambe ichocolate sekufa okunyanyala ukuthi lathi sile a bit of mismanagement on our part.
A bit
nah bro,
you consider it's a crabs in a barrel situation. People talk about how crabs in a barrel bring each other down, but they forget to mention that a barrel is not a natural environment. Crabs, they are forced to survive there. So now there is a bit of mismanagement on our part, but there's still forces that have to make sure that as long as Tina Sakumbul, but in the end, 2002, Katis. So Tina Songira say Kumbul. So as long as Gulaban double Kiva Kumbul, I'm a kiwas our coach.
In Kituba, Bokona.
Kumbula.
I don't
know. Papausa.
Prince of Persia.
Bese kuthiwa sikhuluma into eziyakhayo la.
Lina liphisa khuluma amapaposhki.
Akuya kilo kaqeda ukukhuluma lapho umfowethu la. Awufundanga lutho la.
Right, sikhulume nokaka sesiqedile.
I was about to say.
Please subscribe. If you are tuning in for the first time, subscribe like, to the channel. Siyafuna comment yakho. Usitshela ukuthi ibizo lakho ngubani, alright? Ufake i-fire emoji or something.
Ube ngumuntu lana commenta every Monday sibekwazi so that we shout you out.
Vuka lapho. Ungabi swag.
Lakho futhi ungasubscribe ube ungasubscribe futhi ungasubscribe usungaba lenhlanhla futhi yakwazi these days we have
Bombo Kla. So man, this week I says giveaway ngoba sesiyenzile already.
So announcement anyways I post. So for this coming week, well sesiyipostile.
Yeah.
So for this coming week ngiyakwazi zikhona izibona ngomahlakanipheni ezithimeli cutting.
$10.
Izithimeli cutting yami lana ngase ngiku second venue yethu lana eKings Scroll yabo ngase ngishutha ama giveaway. So anyway, I wanted to say for this week, we are actually going to do it a little differently. Vele siyalithanda. Ukunika stuff siyalinika.
Senzela lini?
For your girlfriend.
Tina napa nje senzela lini ukuthi likholise tina. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to WhatsApp your name and your ID. Anyone who's interested. Abangafuni aba too rich for us.
But the thing at the ID zongani sesithatha.
I'm not ID man. Name and phone number.
Siyabuya lapha.
Name and phone number to 0783349439. Listen, WhatsApp your name and your phone number to 0783349439. We're going to collect everyone's name and then we're going to do a raffle live on the podcast. And we're still going to do giveaways. But if you're a paying subscriber, uhlukulumu ukuthi mina Cape Breezing ngili paying subscriber. Sengakuligela wena.
Unintesa POP.
Yabo.
But subscribe bani guys.
Mina
$1. Subscribe bani. Subscribe bani kuloku yi-content kwabantu abakhipha imali.
Subscribe.
Sele close friends.
Yeah,
Only fans ye YouTube.
Ama-viewers.
Sazolithwekela la.
Sazolithwekela. But usikhambile ku-gospel show.
Oh yeah.
Mina I'm the first one in this friend group who khamisa abangani bami ka-2 eChurch.
Fuck.
Twice.
Dog, what's the scheme akuqala?
No, iskema.
Futhi usiskemile futhi.
Sengayithola itricky.
Ikudla.
Hamba bafita kuqala.
That's what the first time.
Bathengela ukudla ngoba bathengela ukudla laba.
Yafuna. Ithi mngani, mina dog ngisesibhayi. Yasambe ngiyokufida mngani wami. Mina sweet.
Kudla kwamahara ukubona.
Ngiyangitshayisa vele mangitshayisa dog. Le yayisibhake phandle.
Ngalithatha lonke phela wana hamba
ngishayi ngihamba isicollect ngani ngamalo kuza ka Tinos collect sahamba saya kuhle ithi gents asifikeni phela ngemva it just so happened
ukuthi ngokudliwa la
lokho sekuthiwa i-coincidence gents lapha sarotsho lapha esasidla khona ngemva kwakuyicast bapaka phambi bangenxa ukuthi indlala mina kuclick ukuthi hayi la
i-setup le
Some church bangani.
Ayona isneaky Christianity yasebenza mfana musungaba li-watch tower li-blind wena.
Ngiyathuthana nizobukela i-podcast. Salibonani lapho linjani lapho mama. Haya anchumayela
la
ngala singahlala phansi lapho.
Uyakwazi ukuthi mina church yamabayenza ufuna kubo
uthi
asambeni.
Yabona Jesu yena uyasithanda kodwa. Right, sesingacisha lapho.
Priest.
Asambeni liyobona.
Yabe li-watch Sabatha.
Kare vele kuthiwa kuthiwa ngama-watch tower.
No idea.
Like ukuthi ukukhuluma ngesindebele ithi watch tower. It's the watch tower.
Watch
tower.
tower.
Watch tower liyani ukuthi I think ku-announcer Anji watch tower ngeke-announcer let's say izitha zibuya or something.
But ziningi izinto vele sazibhutshayo isibizi. Kuyini i-Primus stuff?
Yona i-Primus. Primus.
I don't know.
I think man is Google. I-Primus stuff I think it's Primus.
Primus stuff. But anyway, sahambe echechi salalela gospel. At some point ngamfuna ukuthi behlabela ngithi mabahambe ngazikhuza kanti hayi.
Yes, because do you know what my chat is? I don't think you will ever find a celebrity or a personality from South Africa that will say they came to Zim and we were not hospitable.
Yeah, bro.
But when your country is not hospitable to Zimbabweans, you're quiet.
Ikomele bakhulume khona
kuma-shows abo ukuthi
we stand together
ngiyi-1 bangiphatha kahle kodwa wena uthule
ele bafike estage futhi athi akunuki khwapha la ngilapha mina
right lapha abantu omunye uthi emaskora msing emaskrotam
mamskora msomo
into le I think ngayikhuluma ku podcast ukuthi like when it comes to Zimbabweans there is no one who's so friendly to foreigners than ama-Zimbabweans. We would rather hate Umgcini.
Also, it's because we assume they give us money. Continue.
No, not really. Because engikhulumela even singabantwana like Tina would go endlini sisiya break ukuthi Tina silomntwana ovele eZambia esifunda la eclassini yethu blind kulani. No, do you know why I chose Zambia?
Zambia.
Of course, enothi babekhona abelokhuzini. Abe-Zambia
Zambia.
Do you know why ngikhethe khonokho? Because I wanted to lokhuza ukucounter ipoint yakho ukuthi abanye abantu liyabelilingana in terms of singacompare ama finances but konkiyana ukuthi yena ngoyeZambia. Ubuthi mfana mthina esikole sethu kulamaZambian kulamatswana.
He's not lying. Tawula mthombo eNamibia futhi awuthi amaNamibia indawo sesingani vile zona ziya.
Kulocho mayifunde nasty so. Why pikant so? Why the skin color say Michael?
That's crazy.
Aso Sudan. Members eSudan zimnyaradzi.
Ezazingazi grey from afar so.
Imnyandoro ziyabe zingani zipolishiwe.
Ezazingazi navy blue.
Imoto leziyani not black.
God damn.
Leziyani
ezikipetarian. Vamrut.
But anyway, shout out to Ekaya Music Festival.
Yeah, we had a ball.
We had a time last night.
Primus or Prima, yeah.
Prima stove like
Prima or
paraffin
Primus
stove
from country to country.
But ngiyalizwe ezezitofu but kumnandi ejeswini bahlosisa. Yeah.
Beku right ejeswini.
Beku right sibili.
Kumnandi ejeswini.
Ngiyazibuza why amaKristu esingli.
bekumnandi ejesu
Never spoil for choice.
Ukuthi ugcina usungazokwazi ukuthi ukhethe nga. Is problem abafunani futhi amaKristu angkhona.
Should ikona into abayenza bayazi.
Bayazi bonke benzayo.
Bryce ngabona izpeaker sebona nise Garden of House. Semile check isi gospel event sithi fusekwena. Bryce ndod. Ungesamkhuza kangaki? Into siyakhonza akula kodwane la.
No, but sathi singena.
Ubaba lo nango lo sesibuza ngama-agi.
Are you guys are
church wena mfana wena.
Khana uhlabele church yakho futhi. Le ngiyibonile ifeni le aje video yakho by the time lokho zalesiphumile. Uya
Ibikolisa.
Usabathi ibikolisa. Ndoda ngimangele mbona enye clip amathi le reality 72 ibaqamba amabizo. Hawu mbongeni fethu. Hamdura ulapha. Uzabona ndoda. Live ndoda.
Nah, bro, there's nothing wrong.
Yakwazi into efana ku video ya mposa ngamfonela ubaba because bese ngitshengisa edit yakho nani ngone detail mposa ngamfonela because futhi kanti laba ngoba bakhulumisa kangaka but ekhana manje loba kuthiwa le reality
Manilitshele
awusizwe mfethu
ngamtholemele omunye umthisa you know. So I don't know this guy. I'm thinking, it's just a guy. They shoot ubaba. Mina vele stand behind my clown. I think ukubonile.
Yeah, I saw
clowning. So ngithi nyathi mbone no. Untwana is actually really locked in.
Yeah.
Ubaba.
Ngithi uchamlana ndihamba ngithi baba. Kanti ngibani uchomlu? Mana kutshengisa isithi.
Ubaba khona mana le full context. Ifoni kaModli ile 2% ibat.
And I'm like,
so ifoni
bad.
Ile that. Bese lo ngutshengisa ukuthi imali. Bese lo ngutshengisa
the
imali.
best vocalist. I'm like, brother. What's that?
Brother E.
Brother.
What's that, brother?
I genuinely feeling
yeah, no. Ubaba had a great time.
But I know. I think church ile Scorpion Kings yeah.
You know Chris Brown. Doc, uyakhumbula kuze kubuya ukhaya mthetho. Ngakutext ngathi Majens ichomlele ora ka Chris Brown le church. Abantu ndoda bayeqa amafence church.
Ndoda abantu baphuma ngo12 bemelele ukuthiwa ngumdumi mskokdad.
Kokstad rocker. Lapha izazime koni.
What the fuck, man?
Mina ngiyazibuza manje. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi otsho mina abanazo ukuthi nxa igospel ayinjani akufanele hip hop. Phela ku hip hop hayi ku hip hop ngasodumiswana siyakwazi ngawuphuma on stage uhamba le 10 hoes.
Brother,
busy khona pha.
Ekhaya mthethwa nguthandi kuthambani. Egelo ka Isibaya.
No.
Thandi.
Hayi but lalela wena napha ehlisi sikhuluma ngama 1-1. Mdletshwa, ngithanda imdletshwa, Thomas.
Lo global citizen. Yes. Thombani yani, ngiyambona kodwa. Nomzamo Mbatha.
Khani manje uthandiwe vela.
Hayi, maybe izwa actor ngalo kuSibaya. Wayengasothandeka or something.
But yanje wena ama 1-1 ngiyazwisisa awuyicherry yakhe. Mina ngithi ama hoes.
Yabo busy khona pha.
So lezana lintshela yini ukukhuluma
abantu phela.
Zwani.
Zabe sithi amen andiswa.
Amen andiswa. Khumula sikhule.
Mondli lomgcini ngibuza lina ngoba ngani ngumbono wenu lo.
No, mina I'm of the opinion yokuthi they're human. Ngabantu bro, and it's Majens angiyali ireligion.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, that guy is performing.
No, but it can't be at the end of the day because that's one of those genres where this can't be like a part-time
Hey, Joe,
or a hustle.
have you ever shot anyone?
I need to interject.
In the industry that you are in, how many niggas claim to have shot people? Do you get my point?
Lalela K, please. There's a certain famous group that came to a certain famous church in this city. Right. Right. Babuya umfundisi wabanika i-accommodation yabo. But i-rider labo izinto abazithathayo.
The fact that you lay right.
Umfundisi wabebuya I thought you guys ningabantu besonto. Wathi leyi yi-business esiyikwanisayo yokuthi sikubisela abantu ejeswini wena uzazibonela ukuthi uzabagcina njani. We are artists.
We are Scorpion Kings.
Bakubeka kunjani. Ngingaqamba umnyaka abantu bazaba kwathi ngikhuluma ngayo.
But look, that's what I'm saying. Antu laba, they're in a business. This is why they don't do these things for free. If it was really about the salvation of people, they do this for free.
But then what are you saying about pastors? Because I'm assuming, listen, everyone is just to be paid for their work. It's sustenance.
Same math, brother.
It's the same
I
thing.
think you give people too much credit. You call balandela. Yakubona wena umfundisi ngangena
lalela bro. Le genre attached to religion. Yabona even hip hop okukhulumileyo.
Ngaso guest pastor we introduce yabunje.
Aura farming. Aura farming, dog. No, I think another thing, and
yabengani isivakashi nxa kusilethu ukudla.
Awazi ukuthi kukhulunywa ngawo. Bese sisethe kuthiwa hayi umfundisi kahambi yedwa.
Uhamba lomkakhe.
Bonela
Do you know that thing actually really annoys me? I'll tell you why.
Mina angilalo ijazi lokuthi ngimsukumise.
Manini Majenzi ndiche.
Hayi, calm down, ngikuthathela imali. Ngiyakuphuca imali.
Mekela 20 man.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi mfunga uthini. Into lena annoya ekuthinini iya promoter abafundisi that take advantage of abantu. For real, because brother, you're telling me you can't carry your Bible today. You need 7 brothers. Joe, just carry your stuff. But when usufuna sikukhonze. That's why you want this thing.
Stonga ni politics.
Yike ngutsho bro.
Awukwanisi ukuthi namhla
umfundisi. Yes, it was a skit, but that's exactly what's going on. Why are you hanging off of the roof, bro? You don't need all of. If you're preaching a message kaJesu yokuthi sonke singabantu abakaJesu. Why wena usuyi superstar usuhamba ngePrada?
Mfundisi kahambi yedwa.
Imfundisi
kahambi yedwa.
Uvela uvumela ukuthi ngimethule umfundisi.
Uza lwaye futhi
ngiyacela umfundisi uzibani banyana.
Khonapho ngobaba bamsaba endlini.
Putasi.
Abantu bakhe bangena endlini ngo6.
Umfundisi ole line up. Ungaka-preach wena kumele kupreach abantu abayi5.
Umuze sithi come here my son ekhuluma lo babakho.
Dog.
Mina, do you know what I think, bro?
I like your silence.
Bese church ngeSaturday. Mina. Yathi Bese babukela mina.
Mina, do you know what I think? Ngwami umbono nje uKabelo Matiwasa. Libe kwasathi kukhona wafala abazikhulumele bodwa. I mean, I think there's nothing wrong with ukuqakathekisa abafundisi because once again, we're assuming ukuthi if you are mana
bamkhuza
Mana.
umfundisi phela lo ku-internet.
Money. If you are saying, okay, this person is a messenger
Anointed
of God,
Messenger of God, yes.
and this is the person who's
Yes.
maybe here to kind of, in a loose sense, shepherd the flock to the afterlife, which we all assume is that there's nothing wrong with uku-admit ukuthi umntwana uqakathekile. But obviously kulaba abantu asebenza bekuthatha advantage sokusiba what's the word abajalo uyisebenzisa kuma documentary ka Hitler. Kuthiwa sycophant.
Yakwazi ukuthi ni mina keep breathing ngithi qakathekiswa ungaziqakathekisi.
Anguyali. Ikonje mina ngikuthaya ngeblack and white. Ngiyakudivide ngoba kulabanye abafundisi majens.
I'm not sure if you've seen this video. Kwangubani kanti umfundisi lwa esehle emoteni akula convoy nje. Babemlanda wayehlela ku red carpet. This driver had to make sure that when this car stops there's a red carpet by the pastor's door.
Ndoda mina ngabona omunye uma-audience sokuthi uma edlula abantu bayawa so. Angani yasondela so amajida wonke ayawa pha. Ngathi
kulabo mfundisi abadla emzini yabantu before abanikazi bomuzi.
Hey,
kuthe umfundisi nguye ophi umgogodla.
Kuthiwa what is prosperity gospel? That's what it's called.
Yes.
Do you know what's crazy, bro? Prosperity gospel elapha futhi eZimbabwe is not even as bad as what's going on in the States.
Yeah.
I've seen somebody say, oh, there's this other white guy, he's really famous, who owayekhuluma echurch yakhe ama-televangelist, yes. Prosperity gospel televangelism. So these guys, you will have a channel abo.
Emmanuel,
Joyce Meyer.
Yes.
Those brands. His name is just skipping my mind. Ochom labana che.
Lole bhuku lo.
Bonke balama channel so. Labana che ba serious kulo chomi oye khulume church yakhe umdala ngizamkhumula ibizo lakhe. Owayezithi yena uNkulunkulu yena has placed it ukuthi church yakhe is going to bless him with a private jet 80 million. Wayezithi alayo leyana iduba ukuthi he can't do ama long distance flights uchama stopover
fundraising.
So a problem must stopover lana, we can't afford a layover when we're doing the work of God, and I cannot fly. I cannot fly in public transportation. Imagine being stuck in a tube full of demons. What's on that?
Machens.
But he public flight.
Be aware of amasarround. That's why into lezi zingangishoki. Because I've seen these things play out, bro. Liyakwazi ukuthi into lezana zikhono mali. It's a yakubukele kule series ku Netflix okuthiwa ngo Greenleaf.
Okay.
If you watch that thing,
bro,
it's a show that shows you the business of God. Do you get me? It shows you the business of religion. Umfundisi, there's this one pastor in particular he had a gambling problem. This guy, he gambles church money. I think umfazi or something. Maybe like that. And then he goes, don't worry, tomorrow we reckon it back. This nigga delivered.
And that guy, it's not the guy who used his daughter. What he when and now chumayela abantu bayakhipha imali.
Hey, hump.
Today ngo preacher.
Brother.
Wathi vele khuluma amabala ethu.
Utsho mntwana bro.
Wathi ngiyaphelelwa khona abantu basho bakhipha imali.
Dog ungabukela uGreenleaf uyabona ukuthi majens into lezi azikhona mali. But into ezikhona. uDrewski nxa esenza ama skits anjeyana. You know?
Kulani yakhiyumnyango yathi abantu bephume kungakhombe 50.
A lot of churches do that. A lot of churches do that now.
Uthi
uyaziphumi la.
Mina yabe kufuna mina ngikhona. Ngoba ngihambe lo masalo wami. Hla ngithi nabheki. Follow me.
Watch
Follow me.
Yabona indlela yakakhanye esithi so.
Ngithi namhla bakuxotshe chechi le. Ngithi ngithatha umama msemphuma la.
That's how churches are moving now. That's why everyone is a church now. And all these churches are flashy and you must always bring someone and you must tithe. Kulenye church mina ngahamba kiyo 99 kwathiwa isemonlenya khumula I think yenzwa kumbe bomhla ka1 31 Lotho amasalary nibuyalana lawo la siwakhulekela.
Mina I know someone owathi yena akasatithe e-church. What mina my form of tithing, I'm a 10% every month. end of the year church nyayenza something bona abadonda ukuyenza abaye overlookayo ngikwazi ukuthi nginceme maybe ngithenge amabhentshi or ngithenge abantu amabhayibhili or ngisponsor ukudla for a certain event or umuntu oyi1 obelesicelo lana izinto leziyane zokuthi ichurch vele ngeke ikhiphe from ama-tithe ngike ngiyenze kube yi-tithe yami uyasho ukuthi mina i-tithe yami is now between mina lo nkulunkulu.
Yeah, because abantu sebe-corrupt bro.
Yeah.
Church.
Do you know where the issue is? Wena ungagula kathesi ichurch kuyathiwa asikhulekeni. Umfundisi mayefuna imoto senze i-fundraising. That should tell you something.
What did you mean I'm fundraising?
Wena ufundraising wena siyakhulekela uNkulunkulu uza kugcina.
But anyway, ama points esiwakhuluma la, I hope if there is someone watching this or lie or umfundisi
Also, we don't mean to
in the
offend.
ministry. It's not only that. What we're actually bringing up are genuine concerns within our age groups too. And maybe that's why churches might feel like they're losing young people. Because konokesku kuruma is what a lot of people relate to when they look at church these days.
And ngama questions othi masobuza akula mpendulo ezicacayo bro.
And you know what a lot of people will tell you? They'll tell you, into zikaNkulunkulu. Vele, some of these things are a mystery, you should never know. Do you get me?
Yike spirituality
But
take off.
you must meditate upon the word. Meditation is to think
yakubona ngelihlo lenyama.
Kuthiwa wena ukubona ngelihlo
Ufuna
lenyama.
ilihlo likamoya.
Mina into esangayibonayo.
But besikhuluma ngeconcept vele sifike nini la?
Sisathi.
Segue.
I-religion yamajida these days is you check up on your bros, mental health.
Awufam dala uyiswi. Ilana sokuyifellowship yona le.
Yi-fellowship yethu le.
But otherwise lakholisa kodwa kusho. Favorite group?
Had a great
favorite group?
I enjoyed Once More 6. It wasn't a group, but I enjoyed Once More 6.
Man, it performance.
Yeah, Once More 6 is in praise. Reality 7. Yeah, SDAs that's about offended.
Mina ngezwe umkokstad waroka.
Lokhu khona ngesikhathi sika mkokstad.
Mkokstad waroka ngiza kutshengisa ama-video.
Ngabona mfana inyathile igqoka igumba lesicathulo esingaka.
Dlala ngomkokstad.
Ngathi ngimbasa imsindi.
Ora.
But ukuthi maybe abantu they don't listen to ama performances the way I do. Mina lalela ngendlebe lana professional.
Eyomoya.
Njani ezibuni?
Eyomoya. Ayikuthi lalela ngendlebe zenyama.
Lalela ngeyomoya.
On the sound engineering aspect, the talent behind it, okay, I really enjoyed
it. Was well put together.
Reality 7, bro.
Yeah, Reality 7. Bose ngathi
yayisi. Wabeli CD, bro.
Fair.
Slow start, but
yeah, slow start. Bananzelele ukuthi. Apa zoka praise apa. Abantu bagijela la.
The rock.
Dalabano zicharamba last year. Ngabona ama video ngaba performa ngiyeka mbabona ngabona ama video but it was a nice show. Next year we're going again.
Fun.
Sharamaniga Gucci.
Sharatmanika.
Sharamanega mlalazi.
Kukhona okunye sikuchiya.
Ubaba kumele asitshele yena ngawakha amazwi ukuthi ireality 7 wayibona njani.
Yeah, because ubaba
sengaskipela izigqoko.
Machens. Sorry.
Seqalisile.
Iphura lami lesinye story sakhe angixoxela sona sikushoria ngahleka umhlatha omozo wabuhlungu. Uthi kwahamba njani ku play kaJesu eChurch yakho?
Right. Unombeko engangifakazela.
Stories ka Bryce.
Lesi ngani sesivala ngazo lesi.
Yabona like thina when nxa kuyilokhuzini kuyi Palm Sunday.
Izika amahlamvu.
Wona lawana samba sendlala ukuthi hayi uJesu hamba.
Adlule ngebhiza.
Khompa yena le donke na. Nxa kufika eChurch like I gospel kuba yi passion play. So ama youth siyabe serious ekwini I passion play sayenza abanye bakhethwa uJesu mina ngiacture vele most of the time ngangili Pharisee.
Garas key why acted Pharisee.
Uyafona ulodlame.
Vele ngangilodlame vele ngangazwakali vele.
Hlalo acting uSathana.
Dala ngangi wrong. Nganga acting li donkey futhi but the story It's a story for another day.
Me with an avocado.
Elinga Balaki.
But ngang upgrade. Ngasuka from donkey. Ngaba lisela lelane labula li good Samaritan. ngasuka khona lapho ngaba bra ngase ngimuntu olohlonzi iPharisee
kuhamba njani price
so like ama chance yabona kule party lana uJesu seqamula isinkwa lapha right ukuthi I need to demonstrate uza demonstrate to Caprice
anti kule 60 disciples nga so Jesu mele bambili ufe ihlephuni iye ngathi
right so lapha wayesithi nxa iphasa lapha ilove sithi thathani lo ngumzimba wami thatha lidle lo ngumzimba wami right the first guy wayesithi nxa ehlephune eqhube siya Caprice bajengisa
ehlephune nomgogodla hlephune half
man yabona iphisi le yayihlephunayo kumele ayidle yayiphasa
babehlephuna ibhodi lebhodi count isinkwa senzani price
guys nxa kulomuntu wasonta esenkalambasi eangikeni la
isinkwa sifika
asifikanga olukura kuphethe amagawula
lapha etha kumele uhlafunye hey uSimon Peter ngapha ucha ikota nga yabona iphisi lengabe uyihlephuni ibe ngeyakho iyayiphasa wena ngapha ekucineni oJudas ngale babe ngadli ngale labo Bartholomew
amajida ekuthela indlala tole drink ayifika ngecineni uba kuba ikhabuli
yabuzulo kuze bara
also you know
as much as it was funny but wonke kofani kuJesu umjida sasimchaya kwamaqinje
uza kuphundla mfana
thina I thought sasichaya uJesu but ngaze ngabukela iPassion Play yelokhuzeni yeSt Patrick's ngale butas uJesu yarajwa nje
fair
raju gogwaza bathi umntanami noma behlala phansi gogo
Sasibani lapha maGreens
funa abantu bezwisisa ichomlo wathi
like uyabe on brand
bro
incorrect
but nombuzo majensi before sichaphansi sesikungayi
130
kuzamele senze le announcement liyana futhi idok
oh yeah
ilokheni news esizireceive namhla senze ecineni
alright sharp
yeah
osiyenze be lokhuze nini be umbuzo wami ube ngwama members ne
sesingayenzela ama members ama paying subscribers
play sivale
hayi vele ama paying subscribers lokho siba onye episode yani esinye sila vele sesile staff esiningi sama paying subscribers these days
bara ngenzeni buzi mana mphongo
kulezinto eziningi guys that you benefit from being a paying subscriber sabe silama exclusives silezinye
izinto there is some exclusive amaningi from paying subscribers
yeah so if you can guys try as much as possible ukuthi ile subscribe it doesn't cost much guys
siza post ama packages la
again litayile
yabona usayenza njani bengifuna ukuthi na sikeli nikele lapho intshumayelo zonke lezi
qalile umgcini balilandela ama gents
yeah he needs a jet he can't fly with demons
up khona ba sizayenzani
don't worry boys it's on me
but anyway ngiyambuza ukuthi ezamajita would you rather have a 7 out of 10 playing for the badge or a 10 out of 10 5 consecutive Ballon d'Ors
playing for themselves
for the team.
Let me tell you something, dog.
Mbadwe, this is not
about football.
About
Mbadwe.
Mbadwe. What's his name? Mbadwe.
My chance. This is me. This is me. I would 100 times pick a player for the badge. I'll tell you why. You can have a 7 out of 10 and train the 7 out of 10. You get me? There are players who weren't as good before, but you train, you get better at the game. But what we want is your commitment, is the desire.
But imagine,
it's the desire.
Danger who trainer. Uzaba li Ballon d'Or.
Alone.
Yafika ku Ballon d'Or level.
But unless yazi engayenza njani. You keep that 7 out of 10 ehlale a 7 out of 10 because 7 out of 10 is above average although below if I
7 out of 10 go Bernardo Silva, bro.
Right.
I have Bernardo 8, but anyway.
But anyway, because the thing Ballon d'Or, Ballon d'Or 5 laba. In 5 years, sometimes or 10 years, you ever say 4 out of 10. We ever say City. Can you very much
Here's my chat. Into Azila formula. And it's quite unfortunate that you never know if your player is truly playing for the badge.
Yeah, but lava City
to just namhlambone elinye ichome lama Ballon d'Or ayi5 ilalo lilokhuzini. Belilobolile. Mina fa.
No, but lelo cool.
But ngithi mina. Hayi dog. A contract ayaphela. Ama contract ayaphela.
But mina into engiyitshoyo ne.
I mean I would rather have a 7
that plays for the
badge. Because what we want is the commitment to the team. Because in management ingaloka in the player liloke in team yaba blind.
Singavuka sirelegatiwe bro. Ubona ngani Ballon d'Or wena ihamba la wena kulokuzeni.
Relegate njengendoda.
Look yana kenza la. Yazithola siyiTottenham. It happens.
It happens, bro.
Yazithola siphandle la siphansi
khona. Dlala lani league ndoda. New season new.
But vele akhona yena amajita afuna ama 10 out of 10.
That's the other problem.
Why do you think the price of pussy is gone up? The price of football
ticket.
Sorry.
Ticketing is it too? The other problem is everyone wants a Ronaldo. But sometimes you need to look yourself in the mirror.
NgeWest budget.
It's not gonna work.
Hey, but machenze eqiniso yena abantu bayaphila ngebhora. It's unbelievable. Uyazi uyabakhangela abantu ku Instagram yabo. Ubona ukuthi umuntu okafundanga lo kala graduate. Phila ibhora. Just club to club.
To club. That's the player you don't want. All right, that's the player I don't want. Hey man, let me not speak for the boys.
7 out of 10.
You get me? But for me,
one club.
Sometimes good, sometimes shit.
Abanye abantu mina ngeke bashame nje nxa uzalwe vele uscoaching talented la uli10 indoda. Sometimes life doesn't offer you a lot of paths. Uyabe busy. Uyabe busy when uzama ukesgela uzama ukwenza into eserious bebe kulanda uPeter Ndlovu esithi.
Calmated.
Uzabayala bebangaka.
Tranquilo papi.
Uzabayala bebangaka uMourinho.
Also time maybe la our opinions are based off of a budget here team.
It's true.
When you have a good budget, why not just get 10 out of 10?
No, but I think it's a privilege to go choice.
Like, yes, maybe. Of course, because
but it can even get privilege. Can even get to us, my man. I would look at the it's valid announcement here today.
Sorry, my chance.
Sorry.
No more points.
In the budget, le. Sisebenza ngebudget and njengoba lisisho. My budget le ingakhuphuka. Are you staying?
No.
Le 7. Le
is a good question. No, that's a good question.
Budgeting anyuka, it means
budgeting ngasinyukile. Sesithi hayi madoda now.
Angcono okutrainer.
Facilities are better.
To train. Wena ungazi ukuthena njani umatete akasoze bekumbathe. Akuna training ongayenza. Sesifuna umbathe la.
Sesifuna uyamal mdala.
No, he has a good point.
Solid.
He has a good point because thina lokho esikhulumela.
Mina ikonte inkinga ibudget yethi.
Mina inkinga vela inkinga ukuthi wena uthi player liza uya because of budget. Guys, Man City player libuya for a page.
So all right.
Funny player le page.
Budget vela ela
down. I've wanted to play for Everton ever since I was born. My family is an Everton
family. So budget ingazivuka ikhwelile bro. Iplayer elidlalela ipage bro.
Hayi laqinwa sharp. But wena manager wena ibudget kuwe ikhuphukile.
Hayi lalela. Umbappe lapha sumbizela iLegends game. Ikudlala uBeckham namuhla. Uyathi umateta.
Ama-games eyithu.
Udlala nabo ayishow speed. Ngawufashayina la.
Anti vele team. I-team yona ile amaplayer mangaki.
That's it. Vele kule ama-set players.
Iyo le ukuthi during the week ngihamba nge-Honda Fit and then weekend ngisha nge
Sometimes maybe good.
Yabo.
Sometimes maybe shit.
out.
Bora linjalo.
Yeah, it's a tough industry, boys. I said this.
So actually, nxa sishuta lapha i-final yabe siyenzakele i-Champions League.
Ayenzakala nini?
Saturday. Bekungemva kwayizolo.
So congratulations to PSG.
Yeah, congratulations to PSG.
Congratulations
We
to
say
PSG.
this without any fear of contradiction.
Iceman zalitshela ngaye ngakadrop.
Hey, sawudlala ngama-professor, Satan fighters.
Shout out to my nigga Dembele.
Into enyanyisayo ngama-fans a-Drake, but it's fine.
Uzonyanya, uzohila. Ngithi mina.
Ama-fans a-Drake la ma-Arsenal fans.
Shout out to my nigga Dewey.
Ama-Arsenal fans lapha akhali ukuthi why ku-trend uBruno.
Indaba ezisaid. Phela bekule ndaba ezisaid for my
By the time this episode comes out on Monday, anyway, kuyabe sokuphumile. But thina sikuthole just like an hour before we started shooting.
Yeah.
Vele kade sibe check online ngani sokugcwele anyway. So uTalent angasisibonga sakhe mbani. uTalent unfortunately passed away today, which is Thursday 20 what? 8. Thursday 28th of May. Apparently lathi siyabe sikhuluma into esingazaziyo.
You know, I don't
Allegedly kuthiwe
He was unwell.
Yeah.
He was in hospital, he was unwell, and then he passed away. So angazi ukuthi okunye maybe lathi sesingakhuluma ngakho soku ngoba esilapha esihe say.
Yeah, may his soul rest ironically in peace.
So obvious indaba yakhona.
Yeah, RIP to Talent, RIP to Brand.
Yeah.
Enye issue khona anyway ukuthi vele indaba Talent tricky because even ukuduma kwakhe was a bit controversial in
Ebedume ngokuduma.
Lo yitu.
No,
but
but
you didn't even see what you were saying of type of ukhuluma.
No, but licho mlethu like.
No, yeah, I mean, look.
Relaxani. Ukhuluma something to.
No, yeah, bensithi kubuthenwe emganweni. Yeah, duze le mganweni secondary. Vele ngafika khona phana uthi ko Talent or direct you.
I think by the time this episode comes out, because today is Thursday, maybe Friday, Saturday,
Yeah.
Yeah, impilo ifani emergency hakana abangani benu.
Impilo meli qhubeke. Yeah.
Akuyivale lapho mfana.
The show must go on.
Keep it rusted lapho ivale.
Ngithini?
Ivale linto.
Ikweni.
Ilonto nje.
Isho.
Okay, balele. Baleleli siyabonga kakhulu. Ngokusithanda.
Ngoba let's
siyalithanda guys. Ngoba siyalithanda.
Bonanza.
Asibukeleni ishow, sicommente, like,
subscribe,
isende labangani bakho, isende labodade wenu, isende labafundisi, isende podcast, imemetheke ngazo zonke izikhathi. Andithi ka?
Hayi,
mashoko makukutu.
Peace out.
Showcase my chance.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.